In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photo on Google Gemini. We'll start right from search and end with a polished result, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, open your browser and search for Gemini. From the results page, click the official Google Gemini link. This takes you to the Gemini interface, where all of the AI tools live. If you see a homepage with a sidebar, you're in the right place. Give the page a moment to load so everything in the workspace appears properly. Next, look for the Tools area. This is the hub where Gemini groups specialized features. Click Tools to reveal options related to images. You'll see an option labeled Create Image. Go ahead and click that. Even though it says Create, this is also where you can bring in an existing photo and ask Gemini to make edits using natural language. Inside the Create Image workspace, locate the plus icon. That plus button is how you bring your photo into Gemini. Click the plus icon, then choose Upload Files. Your file picker will open so you can select the image from your computer. Choose a high-resolution JPG or PNG for the best results, and try to start with a well-lit, sharp photo so the edits look clean. After you select the file, wait for it to finish uploading and appear in the editor. Now it's time to guide the AI. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you want Gemini to do with the photo. Be clear and specific. For example, you might say, brighten the image, add gentle contrast, and sharpen facial details while keeping skin natural. Or remove the background and replace it with a soft gradient. Keep the subject centered and preserve original colors. You can also mention constraints such as keep the original aspect ratio, reduce noise, or keep text in the image readable. The more precise you are, the better the output. When your prompt looks good, click Generate. Gemini will process your instructions and produce an edited version based on the photo you uploaded. Give it a moment to render. If the first result isn't quite right, tweak your prompt with stronger guidance. Use words like slightly, strongly, or keep as needed, then generate again until it matches your intent. That's it. Search for Gemini, open the tool, choose Create Image, upload your photo, describe the edits, and generate. Follow these steps and you'll be editing photos with clear, repeatable results in no time.